Do you believe in wonders? On something touches your heart? On the wind that brings happiness to your soul? Call for a journey begin awakens all of the senses. Discover Batu Lubang. Stunning natural picture scenery. Find beauty in the serenity of nature. Breathe freely and soak into the nature of the motherland. Make Batu Lubang one of the most beautiful paradise in the southwest Papua. Batu Lubang Village is a place where the beauty of nature meets the peace and warmth of people. A destination that offers more than just a view, but also an experience that will fill your heart and mind with unforgettable memories. Batu Lubang will always take you on an unforgettable adventure, an enhancement that will blow your mind, absorbed in happiness.